Welcome to the Better Eye Health Podcast with Damon P. Miller II, MD. This particular podcast is an excerpt from the weekly conference calls. Dr. Miller focuses on different topics connected to the Better Eye Health program. The topic of this session is Can Taurine Cause Insomnia? Here is Dr. Miller.
Hi. If there's any reason that taurine would add to problems with insomnia?
Oh, okay. We're having you take an hour of sleep at bedtime.
Yes.
I, for the life of me, can't think of a reason why it would.
Okay.
But for some people, there is a certain, when you put something in your stomach, even if it's just a pill of taurine and a little bit of water, that does you've started a process that may be a little, energetic, and it may disrupt your sleep. I think the point to that is, I don't think there's anything specifically about taurine that should disrupt or would disrupt sleep. But if you're noticing that if I do take the taurine right at bedtime, I don't sleep as well, and if I take it at another time during the day, I sleep better, then that experience trumps anything theoretical. So, if you're concerned about that and you've played around with it and you feel like, I do better when I don't take taurine at bedtime, then don't take taurine at bedtime.
Tune in for more podcasts and other presentations. Go to www.bettereyehealth.com. There is hope for sight.